So, good afternoon, good day, and welcome to another class with TechMaster with Kev. And today we'll be reviewing HTML in depth. HTML, as you know, stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and its major thing we use it for is to structure web page and their content. It's just like the building blocks that makes the entire web page. The form, the text, the tables, everything you're seeing on the web page, on any website that you've interacted with, they are done, they are built with HTML. So it forms the foundation of web development. So it consists of elements and tells the browsers how to display the content. So understanding HTML is very important to creating visually appealing and well-structured web page and document. So today I'm going to be showing you a sample of an HTML document. So whenever you want to, this thing you're seeing on the screen is a sample of an HTML document. You see it starts with a doc type HTML which represent the document type. Then you open, there's an HTML tag, the head, and then the body. So I will be um, going into the details right now. So this is just to show you example of how it is done. So I want to teach you right now how to begin writing an HTML document, how to begin to write a simple HTML document. So I want you to go to your desktop and then right click on the screen and then create a new folder. I want you to name it tech underscore mastery with cap head. I want to believe that you already have your Visual Studio Code installed. So if you've installed your Visual Studio Code properly and you right click once again on this new folder you've created and then you see the option to open with code. This, if you open it, it's going to open this folder in Visual Studio Code for you. So open with code. So right now we are already in Visual Studio Code and then the folder is already open. So inside Visual Studio Code, if you come to the side where you see the name of the folder, you will see some icons beside it. You see this particular icon is used to create a new file. This will create a new folder inside this folder you just opened. So right now we don't need a folder, we only need a file. So I'm going to be opening a file, and then I'm going to be naming it index.html. So at this point, I would love to mention that for you to save an HTML document, you save it with the .html extension. With this .html extension, your browser or your computer will know the particular application that will be the best to open it. So with this .html extension, your computer knows that it is the browser that you will need to use to open this. So if I click enter right now, it has created the file for me. So let us confirm something. Um, let's go back to our desktop and check inside the Tech Mastery folder. So inside the Tech Mastery folder, you will see that there's an um, index element here, and then it's opening with it's showing the logo of Chrome, which is my default browser. So with the .html extension that we have used to save this file, your computer my computer is able to identify that this particular file will be opened with a browser. So let's go back to Visual Studio Code. Let's go back to Visual Studio Code. So what I'll be doing quickly is to show you how to write an HTML document. So let's go right into it. So to write an HTML document, the first thing you do is the doc type HTML, which is saying, okay, what type of documents do you want to deal with? What type of document is it that you want to write? So you're going to begin by typing this. You will even see that Visual Studio Code is giving me suggestion, but I'm going to ignore this to suggest